Well, holy flippity flip flop flapping smokes, everyone. Bitcoin is pumping and it's pumping hard. So what you're probably thinking, is it too late to buy now? Is a big dump around the corner? What is triggering this pump? And what is the news, data and facts telling us? Well, everyone, that's exactly what we're going to get into in today's video. No Moonboy talk. We're just going to talk straight facts, not just trying to, pump up Bitcoin saying it's going to $1 million and that's why it's going up today. So everyone, let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into it. Okay, first things first, some positive news catalysts that we've seen over the past 2 days is behind this crypto pump right now, or contributing to it. Look at this. Janet Yellen admits crypto has benefits and says the Treasury is working on crypto regulation. So US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has admitting there are benefits to cryptocurrency. Crypto has grown leaps and bounds and is now playing a significant role in the investment decisions of lots of Americans, adding that the Treasury Department is working on regulatory recommendations for healthy innovation. So this is huge, everyone, because before Janet Yellen, she was pretty negative towards Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Same as Biden and the Biden administration. But I don't know if they've received some donations or got some money put in their pockets. They've all of a sudden flipped on Bitcoin and they're now starting to see the benefits of it. And they're also probably thinking how much tax revenue we can get from it. When asked about whether she's still skeptical about crypto, the Treasury Secretary commented, "I have a little bit of skepticism because I still think there are valid concerns around it. Some have to do with financial stability, consumer investor protection for illicit transactions, and other things," she added. Well, one thing I do think would be very interesting to see what happened in the crypto space when it does get much bigger, say in the tens of trillions of dollars, is what will happen to the economy if we see cryptocurrency crash, kind of like what we see if the stock market would crash 50%, would see the economy go into recession. So what she's saying here, she's worried about what a future decline with cryptocurrency could do for financial stability in the future as it grows bigger. Also, consumer investor protections. Unfortunately, it is true. The cold hard truth is there is a lot of scams in crypto, just like many other industries, but I do see a lot going on in crypto right now, especially from finance influencers. On the other hand, there are benefits from crypto, and we recognize that the innovation in the payment system can be a healthy thing. So is this them warming up to the idea of crypto and a central bank digital currency? We'd like to come out eventually with recommendations that will create a regulatory environment for healthy innovation. So that's the first positive news story for Bitcoin that I think is behind this pump, but there's much more. This is what we're also seeing, everyone, is we're seeing people go to Bitcoin, go to cryptocurrencies as a way to get away from sanctions or financial censorship. Look at this. Russia is considering selling its oil and gas for Bitcoin as sanctions intensify from the West. In a videotaped news conference on Thursday, the chair of Russia's Duma Committee on Energy said in translation remarks that when it comes to friendly countries such as China or Turkey, Russia is willing to be more flexible with payment options. So we still have no confirmations whether Russia is accepting Bitcoin or not, but they are becoming more friendly towards Bitcoin, and we are starting to see more and more nations that have weak currencies starting to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. And even me in the area I live, I was looking at a housing development and the developer said it was taking Bitcoin as deposit payments, which is definitely the first time I've seen something like that. But something else that is very bullish that is behind the recent pump, we can see here Bitcoin is now above its 200-day moving average. It's above 100-day, the 50-day, 20-day, and 5-day. So let's have a look to see what has happened in the past when Bitcoin has passed these levels. When Bitcoin has been in the 9th decile of its spread versus its 50-day average, it's historically risen 16%, then the next month is up 100% 6 months later and has gained 274% after a year, according to data compiled by Bespoke. Now that's probably because in the past Bitcoin's market cap was a lot lower, so there was a lot more bigger price swings, but now with the market cap and the market a lot more mature, I don't think we'll see these crazy price increases, but it is definitely looking bullish. And by the way, as I'm recording this on FTX, Bitcoin is at 47,500. So we'll see if Bitcoin can hit that 48,000 level. Now, if we look at the fear and greed index, we're starting to see greed now. We did have extreme fear only a month or two ago, but as we see these returns come in, as we see this FOMO come in, we are going to see more greed in the markets. But what has been the biggest contributor to this recent price movements is a short squeeze. If we go ahead and have a look at CoinGlass, we can see here over the past 2 days, yesterday there was $244 million worth of liquidations of shorts, and today there's been $136 million of short positions liquidated, which is some of the highest liquidations we've seen in 2022. So everyone, it's looking like what I said could be a possible scenario of a market melt up is underway right now, especially in the crypto space. We're seeing a lot of risky assets, a lot of risk on assets start to skyrocket, especially a lot of small cap stocks or retail stocks are moving a lot right now. And this is why I don't want to be biased. I don't want to be a perma bear like Harry Dent or Peter Schiff. When things are looking bullish and there's money to be made, I'll definitely let you know. So everyone, that was just a quick update on what's behind this recent rally in Bitcoin. What do you think else is behind the rally, and how high will Bitcoin go in 2022? Let me know down below. Now, for my loyal viewers, you can get up to 5 free stocks with Moomoo for when you deposit $100 or more. They're doing a special promotion this month. I'll put a link in the description and a pinned comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.